edge of the earth, scream your name. I could fuck with you for eternity, infinity. Turn on the lights on. I could be your lover, I could be the one for you and no one else at all. So
I gave you everything that I had. I was the pillars who made it collapse. Stuck in my brain all these scars of your name. Got my heart in a chain, can't escape from the past. Taking it slow, but it happened so fast. Look in your eyes, I'm in love with your laugh. Hair down your face and I couldn't embrace. In a matter of seconds, my heart was intact. Now I'm left with these bits and pieces of what's us and could have been. Trapped inside these memories, or did I lock myself in? But for better or worse, but regardless it hurts to remember the tears that fell onto your shirt. That meant it was worth it, but you just deserted. To me it was worth to fight through the hurt. So enough with all of this, I guess I know where we stand. You lost the best thing that you're searching for, it was all in your hands. But when the sky is full of fire and all we have is the past, I hope you find that happiness you've been pretending to have. Damn.
wanna walk to the edge of the earth, scream your name till the fire's gone.